I'm Anna Olson, and you're in the mix with Flavour Network Canada. Today we're celebrating a beautiful milestone, graduation. And joining me today are two incredibly inspiring culinary students, Sara and Flora. Welcome to you both.
It is an absolute dream to be here in Canada cooking with you, Anna Olson.
Yeah, I'm living one of my dreams today. I grew up watching your shows with my mom, and I can't wait to share all this with her back in Iran.
Oh, you're the sweetest. And you know what? Moments like this really are about sharing. So I have some lovely gifts for you. Sara, there you go.
Thanks.
My gosh, this is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I'll treasure this Pandora charm bracelet forever. Thank you, Anna.
This means so much to me. It's more than a gift. It's a memory.
You know, Flora, I think that's the idea because jewelry lasts forever. You'll have this piece and always think about this very important moment in your time before you embark on your culinary adventures. Let's have one last adventure together here. Now, this is something I know you learned in cooking school, pâte choux.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
But we're gonna fill them with a whipped goat cheese with fresh herbs like dill and tarragon and mint, a little bit of lemon zest. Perfect for a party. Sound good?
Yeah.
Hungry already?
Let's get to it.
All right, so we are going to start with the flour, the butter, and the water. We're gonna cook it into the pot until it is a nice sticky mess and pulling away from the edges. After that, we'll add in a few eggs and just whip it up a little.
And then we pipe them into rounds, bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they're puffed and crisp.
And I've already got the whipped goat cheese with chopped chives and mint, tarragon and dill, and a little bit of lemon zest. So we'll split these in half and they're ready to pipe.
Yeah, and interesting is we can make them sweet or savory. So versatile. That's what I love about them.
Great work, you two. I am so proud of you. You have such bright futures ahead of you. Congratulations to you. And to all graduates out there, I wish you a heartfelt congratulations. And thank you for joining me. I'll see you again on In the Mix with Flavour Network. Presented in part by Pandora Jewelry.